We are hearing a lot about herd immunity. What is it?
Herd immunity is a form of immunity or a kind of protection that occurs when large percentage of people become immune to an infection. It can be through previous infection or through vaccination. It has nothing to do with the word herd, which is used for a group of hoofed mammals.
What does herd immunity have to do with COVID-19?
Herd immunity is a general term used in connection with any communicable disease. Coronavirus is new to the human population. It means that our body has never experienced it or has not come in contact with it. No infection, no immunity. So this virus will continue to infect us till herd immunity is achieved.
When will we achieve herd immunity from the coronavirus?
Herd immunity is said to be achieved when 60 to 80% of the population has been exposed. Normally, the average figure is considered close to 70%. Based upon the available current testing numbers, about 20 to 26% of the population has already been exposed. Let's take a cue from the Fiji epidemic of 1875, in which measles got transmitted with the King's delegation returning from Sydney. The population was virgin to the virus, so in no time 1/3 of the population was wiped out, and that probably resulted in herd immunity. The question then arises that will a large number of people be affected before herd immunity can be achieved? Yes and no. Yes, about 70% of us will be exposed. It does not mean that all those who get exposed will suffer. That is because a vast majority of them will get abortive or subclinical infection. These two forms of infection also provide immunity.
You said that herd immunity can be achieved through vaccinations. Then why not go for it immediately?
Since it is a new virus, we do not have a vaccine that is ready. Researchers are working overtime to develop it. The market is agog with information, but one must understand that in the best case scenario, the vaccine can be made available in 2021 for the general public. Right now, about 100 labs are working on about 80 models. Normally, it takes many years to develop vaccine, but in this case, gestation time has been tremendously reduced as the scientists have been working on the related viruses for many years. Moreover, certain researchers have published the genetic sequence in January this year, giving the other researchers a head start.
So, it sounds like we will continue to be exposed. How long?
Originating from Wuhan, the virus has now traveled to almost 180 countries thanks to air travel. It has now been seeded in all the continents barring one. The preventive measures such as lockdown, social distancing, use of masks, identification of cases, quarantine and isolation has resulted in the slowdown of spread of infection. So now it would take a longer time than it would have in its natural course. It is a huge mathematical and statistical exercise to arrive at a time frame for the development of herd immunity. Based upon certain trends, I believe that both the herd immunity and vaccine will arrive around the same time. I will dwell on these calculations later, but you should understand that in human biology 2 plus 2 does not make 4. We will discuss that more in the next episode. Till then, relax, meditate, and keep smiling.